Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video. Now it's been a long time since I made a video on this. The last one was the size comparison, final edition 2016, but that's been out for 2 months now and we've just hit 10,000 views on it. So many thanks for that. But anyways, today I'm going to just be doing some random stuff. But first of all, I'm going to turn Ceres into a star. So first of all, you may think, oh, people turn Jupiter into a star all the time. What's the difference going to be? Well, Ceres is about 2.7 astronomical units from the Sun, so that's 2.7 Earth distances. Jupiter is 5, so Jupiter's pretty much double what Ceres is. So I want to see what the difference is if you turn Ceres into a star rather than Jupiter. So anyways, let's do this. So first of all, I just want to put it to 500. For some reason, when I load the simulation, it's not the actual size. If I get the real Ceres here, oh, there it is. That's let's have a look. How big is it? Yeah, 4976. But if you put the video back there, it was the wrong size for some reason. Right. Anyway, there we go. There's the real Ceres. Let's just play that. Yeah, doing exactly what it normally does. But anyways, we need to start adding material to it. So can we get some small moons? That one's a little too big. We need to get some small ones. There we go. Right, let's put the time down and let's start crashing stuff into Ceres. Oh, Ceres is all resurfaced. Look, is it gonna go in or what? Come on, go in. Come on, Ceres, eat them up. Oh, I just love doing this. This game is so satisfying. Come on, just put loads of them inside. Oh, come on, eat them up. Let's speed it up a bit. There we go. Oh, they're all getting eaten. That's awesome. Alright, now Ceres will start growing in size and getting a lot larger. Oh, it's got water on it now. I'll see one of those moons delivered material or water, I think. Is that one? Yeah, alright, we can put that there. Gotta be careful, I don't want to put an object too large, otherwise that will eat Ceres instead of Ceres eating it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's collecting water as you can see here. Alright, anyways. Yeah, and it's gaining mass. Or gaining a radius anyways. Alright. How hot's it gonna go? Still minus 70, eh? I don't think that's... I think the game's a little bugged still. Yeah, it's getting colder. What is that about? Ooh, let's spam them. These objects have a lot of water on them, as you can see here. The Ceres is growing in size. It's at 600 kilometers now. So I'm doing this properly. I'm not just adding radius like manually like that. So, yeah. Ooh, that was quite a big explosion. How hot's Ceres now? Is it even going to heat up? Come on, let me select it. Still minus 101, eh? Why is it minus? It should be hot after all these impacts. Maybe if we launch, that'll make a difference. There we go. Let's see if that does anything. Oh, well, there we go. Is it? Well, it's got a lot of impact marks, but it's not actually heating up. Oh, there we go. No, there we go. Oh, it got into the 200s there. I don't know why it cools down so quick. I don't think it should do that. But there we go. Let's launch a lot of things into it. Bit of lag, but you can't help it. With the Alpha 19 update, I think it's 19, yeah. All these new the particle update where they made all the particles better, that's made the thing lag a lot more. But there we go, liquid water now. It's probably going to get knocked out of its orbit a bit, but oh well. Well, that one looks like Sedna a bit there. Or my custom Sedna. Oh, what? Why are they going that way? Wait, let's move Ceres and just pick them up. There we go. Oh, come on! I have to move it up. There we go. Gotta move it around. Come, go up. There we go. Yeah, they're not escaping. How large is it now? Not Mercury size yet. Is it the size of Pluto's moon? Where is it? Where's Charon? I think that's how you say it. Charon? Oh, it is. We can start eating these. Just spam them on the inside. It should get larger. Oh, we're at 1,000 kilometers radius now. So that's 2,000 diameter. Alright, let's just continue clicking. Let's add all that radius and extra mass as well, which is going to be pretty cool. I don't know why this one's escaping. It's not getting out. There we go, let's put it in there. Yep, you're not getting out, bro. You're going in. Right, there we go. They're all falling into Ceres now. Look at that. Put loads. I'm just spamming the mouse right now. You can probably hear me clicking it. Right, there we go. Right, so how hot are we getting now? Or how large? Right. Are we at Pluto size yet? Oh no, we're not. Pluto's about 1,300, I think. Or can we? Right, let's put Pluto there, and now we need to just fill it up before Pluto hits it. Otherwise, it's all game over, so we have to start again. So anyways, let's just put loads of these Charons in here. Let's get that size up. We've got the mass of almost 4 moons now, which is good. And we need to get this up to about 100 juices. This may take a while, but I'm going to do it all on camera because why not? I don't think other people do it. I don't know. Some people just like put the mass up, some people cut and just do it themselves, but I'm doing it properly. Alright, anyways, there we go. How large are we now? Right, we're larger than Pluto, so let's drag Pluto and collide. So now we should be able to eat Pluto. Yep, Pluto's gone. So now we can start eating them. So now we're going to get a lot more mass. So there we go, let's get Pluto, and there we are. And now let's just spam those in. We're going to get a lot more mass. Look at the mass go up. 9 moons, 10 moons. I think we need to be about 17 moons to get an Earth-sized object. Right, anyways, there we go. A lot of clicking. Let's just spam the mouse. Can you hear me click it? Right. Oh, it's getting hotter now. Oh, 3,000 degrees. Right, now it's going to get really, really hot. That surface is melting for sure. Come on. Right, how large are we now? Are we at Mercury size yet? Not yet. Still getting bigger in size. Let's speed up time a bit. Still grow. Oh, wow, look how big it's growing. Right, we can almost eat a Mercury, and we can eat a Mercury. Let's do this. Oh, so now we can eat a lot. Wait, what about Mars? Can we go for a Mars? Is it going to get bigger than Mars? I reckon we can eat a Mars as well. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, that's a lot of collisions. Oh. Wait, what about Venus? Ooh, is it going to get bigger than Venus? I think it is. Let's put a Venus there. Oh. Okay, we can definitely eat an Earth then. Yep. Sorry, Earth, you're going down now. Look at this. And now we're going to grow a lot bigger. Look at the size. We've got the mass of 30 Earths now. That's pretty good. We're almost at Planet 9 size. There's no hydrogen on it yet. It's still a rock. How big are we getting? Let's just continue throwing Earths in. What about... Let's get some of my custom objects. I've got a lot of stars here. What about Bespin from Star Wars? Oh, we can't eat that yet. What about Kepler 22b? Yeah, we can eat that. If you've seen the size comparison, this would have been one of them there. Yeah. It's an Earth or a ocean world, I think, and it could have life on it. But it may have a little too much surface pressure, so life may not exist or be able to exist. We don't know. Because humans can live in high-pressured atmospheres, but I don't think they can live in low pressure. I don't know. It's something to do with the body. I'm not good with the biology. I don't know, honestly. Whoa. Right, go away, Boom Beach. Right, I'm busy. Alright. Where's Planet 9? Can we eat a Planet 9 yet? Planet 9. Oh, we can. Look at this. Alright, now we're going to get hydrogen. We've got a gas giant now. Yeah, look. All these Planet 9s. They're my custom blue ones. I like my custom one more than like the normal ones. Because the normal one's just a randomly generated colour, as you can see there. But my one's a nice blue. Alright. Let's throw some Neptunes in. We're going to get a part of every planet. Right, there's some Neptunes. Uranus now. Alright, got plenty of Uranuses. What about Saturn? Alright, we can't eat a Saturn yet. What about a... Oh, we can eat a Gliese. Yeah, Gliese 876. Alright, let's just spam some of these in. Get that extra size. Alright. Well, we've got the mass of Jupiter now. So we're almost at the star side. Oh, we're not... No, we're not near the star at all. We need to get about 100,000 radius for that. Right, can we get a Saturn now? Once you can start eating Saturn, it becomes a lot quicker. Right, we don't want to eat 51 Pegasi yet. Or Peg. Alright. Let's put a lot more Gliese in. So they're bigger than Neptune and Uranus as well. If you saw the size comparison, you would have seen that as well. I'll leave a link to the size comparison at the bottom, because if you're a new viewer, you may not have seen it, so I'll leave a link to it. It's probably pretty obvious to find if you go on the channel anyway, but yeah, I'll leave a link to it. I'm feeling nice. Alright. Right, surely we can eat a Saturn now. No, we can't. Huh, interesting. Yeah, Saturn still looks a little too big. Ceres is almost there. Yeah, now we're making Ceres a real planet, because I believe Romans thought it was a planet at one point, but because it was closer than Jupiter, so it may have appeared slightly larger in the sky. I don't know, what am I saying? There's no way. Because it's classed as an asteroid now, but I think it was classed as a dwarf planet, and it was once classed as a planet, like, back in, like, very old times. But honestly, I don't know. I believe it may have been a planet at one point, but it got demoted pretty quick because it is so small, and they just declared it an asteroid or something. Or dwarf planet. Alright. Why is the mass back at 1 Jupiter? It looks like we're losing mass a bit, but I don't think it's affecting the radius much, right? Can we eat a Saturn now? Oh, come on! Oh, it's still growing in size. Wait. Is it still growing? Yeah, it is. Let's speed up time a bit. Is it gonna... When's it gonna stop? We're getting smaller! What? Why are we getting smaller? Oh, is it because of the temperature? If I click that... Oh, there we go. That's how big it should be. Alright. Now we can eat a Jupiter, maybe. Yep, we can eat Jupiters. There we go. Let's put some Saturn in there. I'll set up every planet in. Come on, Saturn. There we go. Oh, it's getting humongous now. Wow. Right, we got a blue, a white hot blue gas giant now. Right, we're almost at a star now. Right, we can probably eat a 51 Pegasi now. Yep. What about a 2 mass? Ooh. Well, can we eat a WASP 12b? This is one of the largest planets found. Because 2 mass. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got a star. Yeah, because 2 mass is a brown dwarf, I think, in the largest solar system found. But there we go. We've got Ceres as a star now, so let's put the orbits on. If we zoom out, okay, we don't want to do that. I want to have it in a binary orbit, so there we go. You can see it's a binary orbit now, so the center of gravity is, it's in the Mars orbit. It looks like it's in the Mars orbit, so they both orbit around here. So as it goes around there, and then the sun goes around here. I don't know if you can see my mouse, I think you can, but yeah. In between Ceres and the sun in that Mars area, that's probably the center of gravity. But anyways, let's go to Earth and see what 2 stars is like. Because Ceres is a red dwarf right now. Look, if we get all the planets together. Yeah, look, there's the sun here, and then there's Ceres. Then we've got Jupiter, Saturn, all of them. And there's a wasp in here. What is that? I don't know, a flyer sign. I'll sort them out later. But anyways, here we go. Yeah. I love my Planet 9. It looks so good. Right, anyways, let's get out of that. Oh, I don't want to go all the way over here. Yeah, this is my own custom solar system. There we go. Planet 9 is blue. Sedna's in red, the way it should be. Alright, because I turned them into stars and then demoted them again, or like remove mass, and it kept like the star color, which is pretty cool. Alright, anyways, we've got our star. Let's speed up time and see what happens. This is pretty awesome. Oh, look at the whole system. It looks so weird. Because Ceres still, doesn't have enough mass to actually escape the sun, but it has enough mass to ruin all the orbits. See, look, Planet 9, Sedna, Pluto, Eris, and all the other dwarfs, they've all escaped. We've only got like Neptune and everything closer than Neptune. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yeah, 2 stars in our system probably would not work. Or Mars is escaping. Look how close Mars is getting to the sun though. Look at that. Wait, slow that down. Look, it gets closer than Earth and it almost goes to closer as Mercury. Oh, Mars is in positive temperatures right now. Cool. Oh, it's getting too hot. Okay, we can't live here. Oh, that's a shame. Well, it's getting colder as it... Okay, oh, it was at its hottest point there. Yeah, what's Earth at? Ooh, Earth's getting a little hot as well. What about Venus? Venus hasn't really been changed. Mercury's is normal because Ceres doesn't really affect it. How luminous is it? So it's only about 4% the luminosity of the sun, but yeah, its light range still reaches here. Go away, news. I'm busy. All right. Yeah, look at its look at its Hatwell zones. Yeah, nothing. It's not going to affect that much, but its gravity will. Because the only reason Mars is heating up is because its orbit's changed and it gets closer to the sun now. It gets closer than Earth. Still reflects. Doesn't reflect that much light. Anyways, let's speed up time a lot more. I wonder if Ceres can... Oh, it stole Mars. Did you see that? I was about to say, is it going to steal Mars from the sun a bit? But yeah, it did. Alright, see if it does it again. Is it going to do it again? Oh, Mars is being ejected. Well, Mars is now leaving the solar system completely. Well, goodbye Mars. Yeah, Mars is definitely ejected. It's not getting back now, surely. We'll be on the orbit of Eris now. There it is. Eris right there. Is it? Yeah, Mars is definitely out. Right, yeah, look at the mayhem it's called. And where's Jupiter at? Yeah, Jupiter's still there. The inner planets aren't really being affected, but Mars was. Oh, I think Earth's got a little hotter. Yeah, it has. Why is it a 30 there? Oh, yeah, it was a 30 for a point. Yeah, Ceres. I don't think it will steal Earth, because look, if you pause right there, Earth's closer to the sun than it is to Ceres. But anyways, where's poor old Mars? Yeah, look, it's right over here. It's now like a dwarf planet. Minus 200 degrees. It's going to get so cold and dark. Oh wow, look how dark it's getting. Look, if we remove the atmosphere, this is how dark it actually is. Oh my god. It looks so horrible without the atmosphere. The atmosphere makes it look nice. What would it look like in real life if the atmosphere disappeared? Right, anyways, look at all these other dwarf planets who have all escaped. Pluto looks like it's been ejected as well. Ceres. Sedna and Planet 9 are just like long gone. Oh, Sedna's regained orbit, but I don't think it'll last long. Yeah, here's my custom Sedna in red. Everyone says it's like got to be a reddish colour, so yeah, I got my custom one. Alright. Let's speed up time a lot more and see what more mayhem happens. Or is it just going to be like this forever? Oh my god! Look at the orbits! It looks like Planet 9 and everything. Mars is definitely gone though. It's definitely been ejected, but all the other ones staying in there, like... They're staying in roughly the same place. Oh, it looks like Uranus has... Is Uranus been ejected? Oh no, it hasn't. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, hang on, what's this? Venus looks a little bent on its orbit, but still pretty hot. What about Earth? Where's Earth? It looks like Earth may have been pushed closer to the sun, because its average temperature, or surface temperature, is now about... Yeah, usually it's about 15 in this game, but now it's at like 20, going up to 30. Yeah, look, is climate on? Yeah, look, the polar caps aren't lasting as much. Wait, let's go in there. Let's turn that off. Slow down. Yeah, look at the day and night cycle. It's so weird. You can see that... Yeah, hey, the UK. That's where I am. I live here. I live right there. Alright, yeah, you can see the Scotland is still got ice on it, but I reckon once we get to the area where it goes up to 30, this probably would all melt. So let's go out. Right, we need to get to the closer point, which is here, I believe. I don't know if you can see my mouse. I'm pretty sure you can. Right, anyways. Come on, go. Oh, it's getting colder again. What? Maybe it doesn't go 30 anymore. Or is it just because I had that on? I don't know. Alright, anyways. Oh, look, all the ice disappeared there. Look at that. 32 degrees. Look at that. Scotland's got no ice. North America, Asia, or Russia, yeah. Yeah, Russia hasn't got it either. All it has it is Greenland. What about Antarctica? Can we see Antarctica? Oh yeah, Antarctica's melted as well. Let's slow that down so you can see it. Oh, now it's come back again. Yeah, this game's a little buggy with the climate still, but honestly, credit where credit due, this game is awesome. Or Sandbox, I should call it. Alright. Whoa, what's that orbit there? Whoa, what's this? Wait, is that Pluto? What? Whose orbit is that? Wait, who? Oh, it's Pluto, I knew it. Oh my god, look at these. This is mad. Yeah, Mars is now like one of the rogue objects at the very outer areas. Right, so I think we've had enough of that. So now let's see what happens if Ceres suddenly started to fall inwards. Right, so now now Earth will be closer to Ceres than it will be to the sun when Earth gets to this point. We just need to wait for Earth to like catch up. Ceres is going to cause more mayhem. It could even steal Venus. Oh, whoa. Look at Earth's orbit. Oh, it's going to get hot now. Could we evaporate? Or is it going to evaporate? Oh, no. Not yet. Venus could be getting hot now. Oh, yeah, it is. You saw, like, the clouds started disappearing or, like... Yeah, oh, look at that. Keeps on turning back, though. So we need to wait to Earth needs to meet Ceres, but they're on opposite side of the sun, pretty much. Oh, here we go. And Earth's been stolen, and Earth's ejected! It's gone! Earth has been eliminated from the system. Now it's going to turn into a snowball Earth. So you know what that is? If you've like looked at the history of Earth, like after the late bombardment period where Earth like stopped forming, it had fully formed now. I think after the moon hit it as well, all the water on it froze into a global ice age. So we're going to get that now because you got to remember when the Earth formed, the sun wasn't as hot and luminous as it is now. Because the sun's about 4.6 billion years now, but when the snowball Earth first occurred, billions of years ago, the sun was probably about 1 or 2 billion years old, so it wouldn't have been as bright and stuff. Right, Earth's been ejected now. Oh, here we go, snowball Earth. Oh, hey look, humanity's still here. What? You can see where the continents were. There's America, Gulf of Mexico there, South America. Where's the UK? The UK's still alive? Looks like everyone is. Yeah, these people shouldn't be alive right now. Yeah, there we go. There I am. There's the UK there. Yeah, but Earth, sorry bro. You've been ejected. I'll be on the orbit of Neptune now. How far is that? So it is about 20 astronomical units. So Neptune hasn't really changed distances. Whoa, what's this? Oh, Venus has been stolen as well. Oh no. Alright, let's slow this down. Oh, it looks like it gets really close to Ceres there. Wait, is it going to get ejected as well? Oh, Venus has gone as well. Oh, no, no, it just held on. Oh, there's Vesta there. Vesta hasn't done much. Well, Mercury, how hot is Mercury? Looks like its orbit's a little more circular now. Getting a little hotter than usual as well. I don't think Mercury goes up to 300, like, on the normal, like, in real life. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Right, anyways. Ceres is going to move in again. Alright, go away, fly. I'm busy. Alright, let's zoom out again. Right, let's move inwards. Now, it's going to be a battle who can hold on to Mercury. Because look how close it is. The point of gravity is now, like, in the Mercury's orbit. Where Mercury is about now, that's probably the point of gravity where, like... Oh, Mercury's still stolen by Ceres. That's surprising, actually, because Ceres has way less mass. Look, if you go to how much mass it has of the Sun, it only has about 12% of the Sun's mass. I think that's right. Mercury is really close to being destroyed, though, it looks like. Oh, yeah, it's really hot now. Hotter than usual, anyway. Can we get it at its hottest point? Is it going to melt? Any surface melt? Oh, it did. Surface did melt. Look, there's some lava there. So that's not good. But what if Ceres was to move inwards even more? So let's do that. Alright, we're less than 1 astronomical unit now. So Mercury's going to get... Is Mercury going to get ejected? Well, its orbit is really crazy now. At least it'll cool down. Alright, we're going to have a collision, I think. Unless these two stars just leave the system altogether and all the planets will just go around Jupiter or something. I don't know. Oh, we're getting really close. Ooh, look at that. Got 2 stars. And so where's our... Oh, yeah, I knew it. It looks like the stars are just, like, doing their own thing with just Mercury left. All the planets have got no orbits hardly. Wait, what's that? Neptune. I think that was Neptune. Oh my god. Look at this. Venus is all the way over here now. Where's Earth? Earth is here. Where's Mars? Mars? Oh, Mars is now the most distant object, it looks like. Oh, yeah, Snowball Earth. Still got humans on it for some reason. That's pretty cool. Alright, wait, if we go back to Earth, how big's the sun in the sky? Wait, let's just remove those. Where's the sun? Or where's Ceres as well? You can only see the sun, because the sun's more bright. Right, anyways, let's put those back on. Right. I've waited long enough. Let's do a nova. Is it going to go into a nova? Please go into a nova. Supernova, please. The sun looks like it's got brighter. Wait, is the sun now a blue star? Yep, there we go. Oh, Ceres survived. Oh, it's a gas giant. Oh, no, it was a star, and then it novaed as well. I guess it had, like, too much mass. So the sun is, like, the green and orange one, and then Ceres is the red one. Oh, the red nova looks so cool. But there we go. It's all over. Wait, if we just make everything auto-orbit, there we go. Is it... I think it's going to orbit Jupiter. I think Jupiter's now the centre of gravity. Right, there we go. Oh, oh. I think it's destroying all of, like, the insignificant objects. Is Mars going to survive? Oh, at least you're warm again, buddy. Looks like it will survive, actually. Where'd the sun's nova go? Oh, it is in there. It's just that all the colours are mixed. It looks so nice. The red supernovas look so cool. Yeah, in the latest update, they changed the nova. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, the lag is real. I'm probably getting like 1 frame a second right now. Oh, it's all gone dark. Alright, Jupiter's left. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's the damage has been done. So let's just save that. And then reopen it. So the lag is gone. Come on. Where is it? I think it's... Is it this? Oh, here we go. Alright, the lag has stopped a bit. Right, who's left? Let's have a look. So it looks like Neptune and Uranus have been eliminated. So we've got Jupiter left. Saturn, Planet 9, quite hot, 399, what's this? Mars, oh Mars is still alive. Pluto, 2007, 70R10, Sedna, I can't pronounce that. There's Iris, Varda, Earth, this is Earth, this is all that's left of Earth, and Haumea, I think that's how you say it. So it looks like, yeah, the game is still a little buggy because Mars shouldn't be that large and Earth should be this size. Because Earth, even though Mars was further away, maybe it makes sense actually, I don't know. So Earth still has more mass, so it should survive the nova a little easier. But anyways, are there any orbits left? Wait, I don't want to press that. So, orbits. Okay, so Jupiter and Mars look like they're in a binary orbit for some reason, but I don't know how that works. So let's go to orbit again. Yeah, it looks like Jupiter and Mars are in a binary system right now. Oh, no, there we go. So this is our new solar system. Well, now we just enter the dark ages with no stars, because Jupiter's not a star, remember? Oh wait, did it lose mass? Wait. Yeah, it did. It lost about 30-ish% of its mass. Well, sucks to be you, mate. Right, Saturn's just holding on barely there. And it looks like Earth and stuff are all getting ejected now. Is it? Yeah, Earth's gone. Ceres is gone. Look at this is mad. But anyway, so I think that's it for this episode. So I think I've done enough. This has been almost half an hour of Universe Sandbox, just messing around with Ceres and seeing what would happen. So here you go, here's the result. If you turn Ceres into a star, then you make it go closer to the sun. Because that in theory it could happen. I mean, it's called gravitational radiation, I think. Well, basically, over time, if the Earth survives the sun's explosion, because after the sun goes to a red giant, it explodes. Obviously, it will go into a nova. If the Earth survives that and continues orbiting the white dwarf, and then the white dwarf turns to a black dwarf, the Earth's orbit will eventually just like erode, and it will just like crash into the sun, probably creating another supernova, but probably heating the sun back to a white dwarf again. I don't know. We'll probably never know that unless we actually see it happen in other star systems. But anyway, like I expected, Jupiter and Saturn, the largest objects remaining, they're in a binary orbit now with everything orbiting them. Well, most things are orbiting. Like stuff like Mars and stuff has just been evacuated from the system pretty much. Even Planet 9's pretty much gone now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this pretty crazy episode of Universe Sandbox. Leave whatever you want in the comments below. So any suggestions, if you want me to do anything, leave a comment and I'll do it. Literally anything. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, subscribe and like if you're new, blah blah blah. See you in the next video. Well, it's got a lot of impact marks, but it's not actually heating up. Oh, there we go, no, there we go. Oh, it got into the 200s there. I don't know why it cools down so quick. I don't think it should do that. But there we go. Let's launch a lot of things into it. Bit of lag, but you can't help it. With the Alpha 19 update, I think it's 19, yeah. All these new the particle update where they made all the particles better, that's made the thing lag a lot more. But there we go, liquid water now. It's probably going to get knocked out of its orbit a bit, but oh well. Well, that one looks like Sedna a bit there. Or my custom Sedna. Oh, what? Why are they going that way? Wait, let's move Ceres and just pick them up. There we go. Oh, come on! I have to move it up. There we go. Gotta move it around. Come, go up. There we go. Yeah, they're not escaping. How large is it now? Not Mercury size yet. Is it the size of Pluto's moon? Where is it? Where's Charon? I think that's how you say it. Charon? Oh, it is. We can start eating these. Just spam them on the inside. It should get larger. Oh, we're at 1,000 kilometers radius now. So that's 2,000 diameter. Alright, let's just continue clicking. Let's add all that radius and extra mass as well, which is going to be pretty cool. I don't know why this one's escaping. It's not getting out. There we go. Let's put it in there. Yep, you're not getting out, bro. You're going in. Right, there we go. They're all falling into Ceres now. Look at that. Right. Let's just put loads. I'm just spamming the mouse right now. You can probably hear me clicking it. Right, there we go. Right, so how hot are we getting now? Or how large? Right. Are we at Pluto size yet? Oh, no, we're not. Pluto's about 1,300, I think. Or can we? Right, let's put Pluto there. And now we need to just fill it up. Yeah, 4976. But if you put the video back there, it was the wrong size for some reason. Right, anyway, there we go. There's the real Ceres. Let's just play that. Yeah, doing exactly what it normally does. But anyways, we need to start adding material to it. So, can we get some small moons? That one's a little too big. We need to get some small ones. There we go. Right, let's put the time down. And let's start crashing stuff into Ceres. Oh, Ceres is all resurfaced. Look. Is it going to go in or what? Come on, go in. Come on, Ceres, eat him up. Oh, I just love doing this. This game is so satisfying. Come on. Just put loads of them inside. Oh. Come on. Eat them up. Let's speed it up a bit. There we go. Oh, they're all getting eaten. That's awesome. Alright, now Ceres will start growing in size and getting a lot larger. Oh, it's got water on it now. I'll see one of those moons delivered material or water, I think. Is that one? Yeah. Alright, we can put that there. Gotta be careful, I don't want to put an object too large, otherwise that will eat Ceres instead of Ceres eating it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's collecting water as you can see here. Right, anyways. Yeah, and it's gaining mass. Or gaining a radius anyways. Alright. How hot's it gonna go? Still minus 70, eh? I don't think that's... I think the game's a little bugged still. Yeah, it's getting colder. What is that about? Ooh, let's spam them. These objects have a lot of water on them, as you can see here. The Ceres is growing in size. It's at 600 kilometers now. So I'm doing this properly. I'm not just adding radius like manually like that. So, yeah. Oh, that was quite a big explosion. How hot's Ceres now? Is it even going to heat up? Come on, let me select it. Still minus 101, eh? Why is it minus? It should be hot after all these impacts. Maybe if we launch, that'll make a difference. There we go. Let's see if that does anything. Oh, well, there we go. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video. Now it has been a long time since I made a video on this. The last one was the size comparison, final edition 2016, but that's been out for 2 months now and we've just hit 10,000 views on it, so many thanks for that. But anyways, today I'm going to just be doing some random stuff, but first of all I'm going to turn Ceres into a star. So first of all, you may think, oh, people turn Jupiter into a star all the time. What's the difference going to be? Well, Ceres is about 2.7 astronomical units from the Sun, so that's 2.7 Earth distances. Jupiter is 5, so Jupiter's pretty much double what Ceres is. So I want to see what the difference is if you turn Ceres into a star rather than Jupiter. So anyways, let's do this. So first of all, I just want to put it to 500. For some reason, when I load the simulation, it's not the actual size. If I get the real Ceres here, oh, there it is. That's let's have a look. How big is it?